printing is a printer that prints or things in 3D.
3D printing, ain't it just printing out 3D objects?
If I had 3D printer, what would
I think I would print myself a patient that I can practice on.
Why?
Because that will help me to like develop for the future. I know what the body parts are. How, yeah.
I probably won't print anything.
To help people run over like new body parts.
No, it's dangerous. It's a threat to society.
Because knife and gun crime,
You know,
rights.
Exactly, and we're trying to cut it down.
I don't think so.
No. I don't agree with guns as a general principle anyway, so I definitely wouldn't agree with it if people can make them as and when they please.
Yeah, as I said before, my last point is because instead of harvesting our own organs constantly, killing people here and
I would say if it was used to have bigger boobs or smaller nose or this or that or various other things, then I would disagree with it.
Yes. I believe so.
Yeah, well,
I think so.
I don't think it should be legalised as a standard.
Yeah, it's classified as a firearm. You can scare people then, even if it doesn't work. You can still scare people with it, so it should be illegal.
Alright.